Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and making the first physical connections. Plug each monitor into power, then connect one display to the primary port and the second to a different output. This ensures the GPU recognizes two independent signals. Once done, make sure any adapter is active. Passive adapters can fail for DP to HDMI in some setups. You do this now because software settings depend on a stable signal. Without that, Windows or Mac OS can't extend or mirror properly. Next, configure the operating system so your displays behave as you expect. Open Display Settings and have the system detect both screens. Choose Extend to create a larger desktop or Duplicate for identical output. Drag the on-screen monitor icons to match their physical layout. This determines cursor travel and window placement. Then set the primary display, pick correct resolution and refresh rate for each monitor, and adjust scaling so text and UI elements look proportional. Finish by optimizing performance and preparing to troubleshoot common failures. Update your graphics drivers, reboot and verify cables are fully seated. Loose connections are the most frequent culprit. If a monitor doesn't appear, swap cables or ports to determine if the cable, port, or monitor is bad. Once swapped, you'll know what to replace. If detection still fails, reset the display adapter or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party software. This single systematic check usually reveals the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.